Well, hi everyone. Welcome back to Euro Fever. My name's Garrett. Nice to meet everyone. We are on our way to a local pull-apart called LKQ. We're in the G35, and this car is completely made of rust, so we have to go to pull-aparts and replace all the rusty parts. What happened last night, there's a piece of suspension called stay bracket, a stay bracket, and the driver's side one was broken in half completely, and so I ordered one at Austin Infinity, which is really far north in Austin. It's like a 45-minute drive. I managed to get there. I got the part. I bought the one for the passenger side, not the driver's side, so we just put the one that was broken in half back on, and now we're gonna go look for a G at the pull-apart and take one of those, and then just replace the one that's perfectly fine with a brand new one. But that's really it. See if we can find anything interesting other than G's, maybe some, I think there's a 560 there we can pull a couple things from before I sell the Mercedes. So yeah, we'll see y'all there.
I like these wheels. I like these wheels.
You gonna ask me what we're doing, or are you just gonna stand there? All right, we just finished. We've been here for about 3 hours. This is a lens for the 560 I needed, but I just need this part because on mine, for some reason, it's plastic and it broke, so the bulb just rattles. So we're gonna pull that off somehow. I got a mirror for the Infinity because the home button is all worn out and I wanted a better home button. A couple of fuel sender floats. This is the sender, this is the second float because my fuel gauge only works to half, but on half it's empty. And then a dipstick, a fuel door that's functioning. So picked that up, and then we got our stay bracket for the driver's side because, like I said earlier, we have it for the passenger, and the passenger's is fine. So I think we spent 80 bucks, and we're pretty happy with it. Saw some cool cars. May come back for some rims we saw, but not 100% on that. So. Oh fuck, I was supposed to turn there. Well, day 2, everyone. Welcome back. We are headed to a different pull-apart. I'm gonna hit this Versa. Oh shit. Pulling parts for the Infinity. Just we need to look at trim pieces. We'd like to find a wing because mine doesn't have the sport pack. That would be nice. They have, I think, 6 or 7 G35s. A lot of them are pre-facelift, so that sucks. But Yeah, so we're on our way there now, if I can not kill us on the way and not miss my turn like I did about 2 minutes ago. So we'll see y'all there. That was a complete waste of time. We decided not to get the dual piston calipers because there's a guy on Facebook parting out a G35 coupe, and I'm asking him what he's going to ask for the calipers and rotors. So we said, let's just leave them, and then we priced him out against LKQ, the other pull apart. And so this wrench apart charges for everything, the line, the bracket, all of it. And so ultimately it'll cost about $10-15 more to get the calipers with them versus LKQ, which is near where we live. We did leave with something though. I needed it's a northern car. The license plate light bracket is metal and mounts inside the bumper, and found out recently that it's just gone in this one. Rusted completely away. So we ended up getting one from a pre-facelift, which in hindsight was stupid because we looked at some facelifted ones, and it's smaller. It is a smaller bracket because the bumper shape's different. So it wouldn't even fit if we wanted it to fit. So now we're going back to LKQ to get a full-size one and to double check what they have in the way of dual pistons. So we wasted, what time did we get there? 1? What time is it now?
3:30.
Okay, 2.5 hours, got nothing done. No, we saw an Aztec. Well, end of day 2, we went to the wrench apart, didn't get anything there besides the wrong part for the license plate lights. So we went to the LKQ, which is near where we live, so we picked up new license plate lights, so that's in now, so I'm not going to get pulled over. We got, what else did we get? We got a trunk piece for the W126. But yeah, oh no, today we got a grill. We got a grill today for the Infinity. It's pretty oxidized, but we're probably just gonna respray it since the one on this one's cracked in half. So yeah, overall I think pretty successful. Scale of 1 to 10, solid 6.5. Could have done better, but could have done a heck of a lot worse. Yeah, that's it for now.